Andaman and Nicobar Center for Ocean Science and Technology, NCOST, a field unit of the National Institute of Ocean Technology, NIOT, and the Center for Marine Living Resources and Ecology under the Ministry of Earth Sciences are working on various aspects of marine biotechnology, biodiversity, pollution monitoring, and census of marine life. In order to reduce the stress on fishery resources as well as to develop island fisheries, NIOT is working on the development of culture technology for commercially important fishes in open sea cages. One of the flagship activities of NCOST is the production of biodiesel and nutraceuticals from microalgae under the Marine Microalgal Culture Technology Program. There is also an island resource information system to develop database on various marine bioresources which is stored and interpreted in GIS software. In order to support the tuna mission program of the Department of Fisheries, NCOST deployed fish aggregating devices in 10 different locations from Diglipur to Campbell Bay. Studies on its impact on the development of island fisheries are underway. Since developmental activities cause pollution in an island ecosystem, the Coastal Ocean Monitoring and Prediction System (COMAPS) program has been implemented to monitor pollution in the coastal and offshore areas of these islands, especially in the Port Blair Bay. Various non-listed marine organisms are collected and bioactive compounds extracted, which could be used as potential drugs. This is being done under the development of potential drugs from the ocean program. In order to monitor the quality of water and atmospheric parameters of the coral reef ecosystem of the Grub Islands, NIOT deployed floating data buoys in the Mahatma Gandhi Marine National Park, Vandoor. An air quality monitoring system has been set up at Rangachar to study the impact of global warming. NIOT also installed high-frequency radar systems at Port Blair and Hut Bay to monitor coastal wave and currents in order to facilitate early tsunami warnings. The Indian Council